Think of this as 5 hooks with 5 payoffs, each one a springboard for a standout video in immunology. Hook 1. The immune system speaks in molecular selfies. I break down antigen presentation like a social network for cells. Dendritic cells snap a photo of an invader, frame it in MHC, and post it to T cells. Class Y versus Class 2, like two inboxes, explain cross-presentation, reveal why this handshake powers vaccines and immunotherapy. By the end, you'll see how a tiny display can decide health or disease. Hook 2. Turn immunology from memory hell into a game you can't stop playing. Mini simulations where you become a dendritic cell, gamified quizzes that punish rote learning, problem-based cases that make cytokines stick. We'll measure retention with quick A/B experiments you can try in class or solo. The result? You'll learn faster and remember longer. Hook 3. The Stealth Masterclass. How tuberculosis hides in plain sight. I trace Mycobacterium tuberculosis as it hijacks the phagosome, blocks acidification, and jams antigen presentation, so T cells never get the memo. We'll map ESX1 secretion, lipid armor, and granulomas as both trap and shelter. Then I connect these tricks to diagnostics, drug targets, and vaccine design. Fear turns into strategy. Hook 4. From petri dish to patient, the roadmap that actually works. I follow a discovery, say, checkpoint blockade, from receptor biology to first-in-human trials and real outcomes. Timelines, failures, pivots, and the data that changed everything. You'll see how CRISPR screens, single-cell sequencing, and bioinformatics compress the loop from idea to therapy and what bottlenecks still matter. Hook 5. Build science that society trusts and funds. I make responsible research and innovation practical, pre-register where it counts, share protocols, bake ethics into study design, and co-create with patient groups. I'll show simple frameworks for open data bias checks and community feedback that actually improve the science and your career prospects. Here's the kicker. Each idea ends with a hands-on segment. For antigen presentation, I demo a paper model MHC kit you can print. For active learning, a 5-minute spaced retrieval routine. For TB, an interactive escape room flowchart of host pathogen moves. For bench to bedside, a 1-page translational canvas. For RRI, a checklist you can run before any project. 5 hooks, 5 payoffs, 1 playlist that makes immunology click and stick.